is the last day on Bora Bora, and I'm going to show you a tour from the main dock at the St. Regis to the Lagoonarium side. Instead of the side towards the bungalows, I'm going to go the other way. Let's go. Hi. And here is the Lagoonarium, where Cassie and I come swim and feed the fish. That's where it's netted off from the water. I'm gonna go a little closer. On the other side is the spa. They have the spa with a deck to get in the water. To this side, more water. Here you go. And that is where Cassie and I come swim and feed the fish.